Welcome to the Lexus of Calgary Service Department. Our experienced and knowledgeable team is dedicated to help you with exceptional service, ensuring that your Lexus runs smoothly for years to come. Our Lexus Academy trained technicians use state-of-the-art equipment to diagnose and repair any issues with your vehicle. Whether you need routine maintenance or major repairs, we have the expertise to get the job done right. Our service advisors are here to help you every step of the way, from scheduling appointments to answering any questions you may have about your vehicle. And while your vehicle is being serviced, you can relax in our comfortable waiting area, complete with complimentary barista, nail salon, and private space for your convenience. We also offer complimentary services, such as a car wash and alternative transportation, so you can continue your day uninterrupted. Don't let vehicle maintenance and repairs disrupt your busy schedule. Our team works efficiently to get your vehicle back on the road as quickly as possible. At Lexus of Calgary, we're committed to providing exceptional service to our guests. Book your appointment today and experience the difference for yourself. Lexus of Calgary Service Department, where exceptional service is our top priority.